estamos en el Hongo. El Hongo es un restaurante y centro cultural aquí en Playa del Carmen y bienvenidos.
El Hongo is a restaurant made with many colors and a lot of love. It's located in the outskirts of Playa del Carmen, and in addition to cooking authentic Mexican dishes, it offers itself a growth space for the children of the neighborhood. Despite the growth of the city of Playa del Carmen, the streets far from the center of the local population do not take advantage of the benefits of the tourism and are left without resources and support. One of the main objectives of El Hongo is to create a space dedicated to art and culture, focus on awareness, and the offer of different types of classes to help children have a better future, learning and sharing. Thanks to this idea, the streets around El Hongo have become a destination for many artists from all over the world to express their vision and art. All proceeds from this project and with the restaurant are used for the development of the forgotten neighborhoods of Playa del Carmen and its children.
Opportunity, income.